everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today's video I've decided I was going to do a little vlog, a tiny little one, and just to take you along with me with my day today. I wanted to do a couple of things and I thought, why not taking you along? I just want to do a couple of things today. I want to actually film a real Instagram video, so if you are not following me on Instagram, you definitely should, because I do a lot of real video on my feed, so check it out if you want to discover them. But today I wanted to film one of those. I also wanted to do a try on haul from Topshop. There is not much clothes, but there are a couple of clothes that I ordered lately. I wanted to try them on with you, and also I wanted to get ready, so why not taking you along with me just to put my makeup on as well. So if you want to see those things and you want to ride along with me, you know what to do, just keep on watching. Now that I am showered, I am dressed, my bed is done, I'm gonna make a cup of cappuccino because I need some fuel, I need some energy, I need to wake me up. So I'm gonna make some, and then I will film a real video, a kitchen beauty real video. And after that, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put some skincare on, I'm gonna put some makeup. I also need actually to clean up a little bit my vanity. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started, shall we? So now I'm gonna film that real video, Instagram video. So here is a little sneak peek of what you're gonna see. If you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see that video. If you don't, follow me so you won't be missing out all my real Instagram video, because they're really fun to watch, seriously. So now you're gonna see how I do it. I'm putting my stuff properly, and then there you go. If you are wondering, this is an antioxidant face mask with chocolate, coconut, and espresso, coffee espresso. And it's really good because it's an antioxidant, so it's gonna help regenerate your skin. And it smells delicious. I love it. And you have to leave it on for 10 minutes. And then you wash it off. And you can be generous, you know, you can pile on layers just to make it good. And you're good to go. So leave it on for 10 minutes and then you wash it off. See you later. Okay, so while I'm gonna leave it on this mask for 10 minutes, I'm gonna quickly tidy up my little vanity corner because it's a little bit out of control. So I'm gonna clean this up, I'm gonna tidy up. As soon as I'm done with my 10 minutes mask, I'm gonna wash it off. So come with me while cleaning up my mess. So this is my drawer of extra product from my skincare. So there you go. Here you have tons of sheet mask, because I love sheet mask. You have a little bit more here. Here you have some face mist. Here you have some boosters, serum boosters. Here you've got some things for tanning. I've never tanned in my life, so it's brand new, but I don't know when I'm gonna use it. Here are some extra stuff that I need to try on. Here are some Glow Recipe product that I have. Here are some extra skincare, Glow Recipe, Nuxe, Clarins, Cicaplare, things like that. Here are some my Nuxe body oil, which, yeah, remember I have that one. Yeah, this is the same one as the one I regularly use, but this one is with the shimmers, so it's better to use it while it's summertime, so I keep it for summer. And yeah, so you've got some stuff, SPF, Avance face mist. Here you've got some mask as well from L'Oreal. So yeah, that's my little skincare drawer. Here, I think I never show you, did I don't remember, but here you've got some product like face palettes. You've got blushes palette, you've got eyeshadow palettes, you've got again eyeshadow palettes. Here you've got extra shadow palette. You've got some face palette here, a little bit at the back. So yeah, and here you've got some new product to try on. So you've got eyeshadow palettes to try on, some Pat McGrath, Viseart, Natasha Denona. You've got some BH Cosmetic to try on. Yep, you've got here new things that I've already tried on, but I need to keep trying, to keep using. Here you've got new stuff that I haven't tried yet, but I will definitely in a future video. So here you've got some little stuff for my hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Here you've got a little bit of mess again. So this is rubbish, poubelle. These are my headphones I need to put away. These are my brushes. Here, this is my little corner where I use products on a daily basis. This is my everyday storage makeup, cappuccino. Here in that little corner here, you've got my pan products that I want to finish up. So they are all here. This is me. This is things that needs to go to the bathroom. This is my thing here, my mask, as you can see. This is product that I put aside because I film with those products, so I need to keep them aside so I can add them in my description box for the video I filmed with. So that's why I leave them aside. Yeah, there you go. And here you've got my stuff. So here, this is my everyday skincare. Yep, and here this extra makeup, as you can see. And this is here my collection, makeup collection. There you go. All right, and this is me. And underneath, I don't want to show because this is a big mess I really need to go through, but there are a lot of packages of product that I need to open and to try on. So there's a lot of stuff, but here actually, this is actually the Topshop haul that we're gonna try on later on. I'm gonna finish up quickly this. So all these here, they are going to the bathroom right now. Go. So overall, it's all cleaned, tidy up and organized. Yes. Woohoo! Okay, so I just finished filming my video, my real video Instagram. So if you want to see the whole footage and how things came out, well, actually you can see it right now, but anyway, if you want to see the whole footage, don't forget to follow me on My Sweet Folly. It's where I am, so you know what to do. Now I'm gonna quickly do a quick makeup. I've already actually done my skincare off camera just to save some time, because you know I have other things to do and I didn't want that vlog to be too long for you to watch, because I really want also to do that Topshop haul. So I'm just quickly gonna do those steps. I'm not gonna go through the product I'm using, obviously, because it's a quick one to go, but I will list everything down below, you know, the name of the products, the shade and things like that, so you will know exactly what I used. But on my face today I will be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, because I don't want to use foundation, just because I'm gonna use my finder, because I don't have mirror. Actually I have one here, but I don't want to put it too close because otherwise it's gonna block the view. So I'm gonna just put it right there, so maybe, yeah, I can see it right now like this. And yes, I'm just gonna use concealer to spot on and even out my skin tone, but I don't want to use like a foundation, because you know I'm just staying indoors and it's not really needed and necessary. And sometimes it's good also to leave your skin breathe as well, so it's not too much for your skin. Plus I just did a mask, so I just want to have my skin freshly masked and moisturized, and you know I just want my skin to breathe really. So a little bit of concealer will do the trick to even out my skin tone and just to have a little canvas quite even. See, it's quick. I don't know if the lighting is not too strong, because you know I'm filming in natural lighting, so I don't know if it's too much for you. Hopefully it's not too much. I'm using my Glow Recipe Lip Pop Lip Balm Lip Scrub as per usual, because I love that stuff so much, and plus you know it gives me a juicy little lips. I love that. I'm gonna use my Chanel I'm gonna use my Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel to bronze up a little bit my skin, to give me a little bit of color. Love this stuff as well. It lasts forever, seriously. I feel like these things will last me for a lifetime. My daughter will be turning 18 and I will still have it. I'm telling you guys. It's pricey, but it's so worth it, because it just don't run out. It's crazy. Plus a little bit goes a long way, and it gives you a nice little tan, little something on your face. You just look good, you know. Yeah, you looks good. I love this, and it's quick to apply as well. It's really not complicated, so I love that. Ta-dam. Then I'm just gonna set my cream bronzer with a Now I'm just gonna set my cream bronzer with a powder bronzer from NARS. This one also, I've been loving this one. I haven't been using it on camera, but I think I'm gonna use it more often on camera, because it's such a good bronzer. Quick to use, really nice. It doesn't really make things complicated, and it just, yeah, give you a good flush warm up bronze look. I love that. I said I wasn't going through the product, and here I am going through the products. My goodness, I can't help myself. For my under eye, Charlotte Tilbury, one of the best, pricey as well, but really good. Set the concealer, but also blurs any pores, fine lines. I just, again, love this stuff, and it just gives you a really good flawless base. I love that. Cheek, another Charlotte Tilbury product. This one is Pillow Talk blush. Beautiful everyday blush, plus it has a bit of shimmer, so you really don't need actually to apply highlighter with this, because it just gives you such glowing cheeks, and I love that. It's just so pretty, even the packaging and everything, you know. I love it. It's quick, easy, and you have nice cheeks. Love that. For the eyes, I'm not going too far. Going back to my bronzer on my crease, just to have a bit of depth and dimension. Very easy to do. I like that as well. It's such a nice trick, you know, on a daily basis. If you don't want to wear eyeshadows, like eyeshadow palette or eye look, very specific eye look, you just do that and you are good to go. It's just amazing. I love that. I'm just gonna use as well with another pencil brush on my lower lash line to be cohesive, and also that's my daughter. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. And then for my eyes again, I'm gonna go back to my blush. What I will do, I'm just gonna take that pinky shade here. Oh no, I didn't want to use that one. Anyway, I'm gonna just apply it on my lid here. It's not the brush I wanted to use. You see, when I got interrupted, I do silly stuff just right there. I like to use blush and bronzer for my eyes as well, because it really makes the whole look cohesive, monochrome, and goes well together, you know. And you didn't do much. It's just, you know, the same product you use. You don't waste time, and you have a really nice eye look that match your face look. So all about easy life, seriously. Eyes, I'm gonna use that not so loved mascara, because, you know, I really need them. No, I really need one. I need a mirror. I can't do it without mirror, like close to me, otherwise I'm gonna mess up. Brow, again, another product from Maybelline. I'm gonna do that quickly as well. Try not to do them too thick or too present, otherwise it's too much. And yeah, I think that's it. For my lips, I think I'm just gonna leave that lip balm really, because it really has a bit of tint. I just like it. You know what, I'm gonna add a little bit of, let me think, because I didn't really, what is this one? Okay, K-Magic from Charlotte Tilbury. There you go. Beautiful nude, this one as well. And yeah, I'm pretty much set. See, so nice. And I was quick, easy, perfect, everyday, quick makeup look. And yeah, it's fresh, it's clean, it's glowy, radiant, minimum, natural. I just love this type of makeup. So it's very quick, easy to do, and you just have a beautiful canvas and you are good to go. Ta-da! Now we're gonna do our Topshop haul. Are you ready for that? Let's do this. Okay, so I just opened the bag. So I've got a few things actually here, and I'm gonna try them on right now. So they are not much, but I just wanted to show you what are there and how I'm gonna style them and things like that. So yes, let's do it. Okay, so the first two things I got is this top here which says Tokyo on it. It's a short sleeves with a neck collar like so. So comfy, it's in cotton, so it's very, very nice and comfortable to wear. It's very soft as well. I really like it. I paired it with the underneath long sleeve t-shirt as well, just to keep myself warm up, you know. And this one is like a trouser jogger, you know, that is waterproof. And if you don't know, in London it rains all the time. Now we are entering autumn, then it's gonna be winter, so I wanted something that will be waterproof, that will be windproof as well, and that can keep me warm, with maybe some legging underneath as well. And I wanted like a set of a sporty outfit, because I really want now to go back to be in a fitness process journey, because now that my two children will go back to school, I'm finally gonna have a bit of a time so I can train myself, do some, I don't know, activities, yoga, run, anything really. But I really want to get back on track. So I wanted to have something that will energize me, you know, and I pair it with my pair of trainers. This one is from Nike, or Nick if you say so. So yeah, so it's very comfortable, very nice. I really like it. I don't know, what do you think, guys? I like the color, these two together. It's like a pastel color, and I really like these two together. I think they really pair well together, don't you think? Very comfortable. Yes. So that was my first outfit. Ta-ta-ta-ta. What do we think? Do we like it? You don't like it? Let me know in the comment below. So for these two top here is the same top but in two different colors, black and cream, and I wanted two different colors because I really like, you know, this type of silky tops, even though this is not silk but it looks like silk, and it's very feminine, very chic, very elegant, and it really can pair well with any type of outfit, really. Like it can be with the jean and the black top, so it's very like casual but at the same time very feminine, and it can be with the trouser, like a classic trouser, so it can be chic and elegant, a bit like a city outfit as well. So for today I'm gonna try on these two here and we're gonna see how it looks like. So here's the outfit. So as you can see, because now we are entering autumn, I think this is going to be nice underneath, something very cozy, very warm, you know, very like winterish kind of vibes, you know, and I really like that. Can still wear this underneath with something very, very warm, so I really like that. And I pair it with that pair of jeans and with the boots here, low boots that I really love, and I think it really pairs well together, and I really like that because the material is really, really nice. I like that. Or you can just wear with the blazer if you want to, and it can match as well really well. So what do we think? Do we like it? We don't like it? Let me know. I'm really glad I got these two colors because they're really, really comfy. So yeah, I'm really liking that. Really nice. Next, the last one but not the least is that blouse with the middle sleeves here. I really, really like the details. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's like brodé. It's really, really pretty. It's like crochet details, and I love the collar as well. You can open the button, you can close them up. It's really the way how you like it, but I really like with two buttons opened. I think it's more classic, more chic, more elegant, and I really like as well the shoulder, how it looks on the sleeves, the patterns here. I don't know if you can see properly. I'm gonna try. Yes, look at that details. It's so pretty, beautiful. I really like it. And yeah, I love that blouse, and I thought why not keeping it with the same theme here, with the same pair of jeans and the same boots, to see if it goes well together, and it really does. I feel it's just the type of look I love. It's feminine, it's elegant, it's sophisticated, it's chic, and it's like city proof. Seriously, I love it so much. So this one, 100% my favorite item out of the lot that I tried today, and I really like how it looks. I don't know, how do you like it? Do you like it? I think it's pretty nice. So yay! There are so many options with this top. I really like it. It's in cotton, it's very comfortable, it's breathable, it's really nice, and it will be really good for the season, for autumn. Perfect top for the season. There you go, this is it. So that was the vlog, and I hope you liked it. I don't know if it was interesting. I hope it was. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to see them more often, from time to time, but a little bit more often, and let you go behind the scene of what I do. And yeah, just sharing my day with you. Not my whole day, but at least a part of my day, let's say. And yes, I really enjoyed filming it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If it's the case, don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending this time with me today. And again, I really enjoyed filming it, so I hope you did enjoy it as well. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.